guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So this was supposed to be up probably about last week, but I've just been super lazy. So I am going to be showing you me trying to put on some makeup. If you have been subscribed to me for a while, you know that the only thing I do to my face is fill in my brows, add some highlight, clear lip gloss, and then recently I've been wearing false lashes. But I've been trying to learn to do makeup, so you guys are gonna watch. Don't judge me if I do something wrong. So my face was already washed, and I'll put what I cleansed my face with, but then I went in with my Dickinsons Witch Hazel and then my Mielle face lotion to moisturize and all that stuff. So now the first thing I always do is my brows. Now, I have dedicated brow tutorials on my channel, which I will put down below. And I feel like my brows I've mastered doing my brows. It's super duper easy, you guys. So I just like to brush my hairs in place. I don't brush them up like a lot of people do because I just don't like how that looks. I'm using my ultra precise brow pencil from e.l.f., which is only $5 in the color neutral brown. And what I like to do is just start by lining the bottom of my brow, and then also filling in as, I'm doing that. I never fill in the front of my brow too harsh. I like to do light strokes to leave, the front hairs looking natural. Then I just pretty much fill it in. I don't conceal the top of my brow because I don't like a boxy type of brow. So I just lightly line it with my pencil, and then I focus on the tail of my brow because I like a nice long tail. So once I do all that, I go in with my Maybelline Concealer and conceal it, which is super easy because this little brush it has is so easy to just clean up the brow and get it nice and precise. So once I do that, I just go in with my Q-tip and wipe it all off. And this method works for me. I know a lot of people like to blend it out, but wiping it completely off, I don't know. I've been doing it for years and that's just how I like to do it. So these are my brows after I finished the other one. They looked perfect. So the next thing I did was add some of this Maybelline Master Primer to my face. And honestly, I don't ever really add this before I put my foundation on, but I was trying to be fancy for this video, so I just went ahead and added it just to say I did. And it's it's not gonna hurt to prime my face. So the foundation that I've been using is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the Dewy Smooth one in the color 240 Golden Beige. I'm still debating. I don't know if this is my perfect match, so at the end of this video, let me know if you guys think this is a perfect match foundation. I'm not sure. This is the first foundation I've ever used, so yeah. So I just put a little bit on this blender, this beauty blender, and just dab it into my face. And I like to start off with just a little bit because I'm still trying to get the hang of foundation, and sometimes if I put too much, I just look crazy. So I like to start with a little bit first and then kind of build it up. But yeah, I think it's pretty self-explanatory me putting this on my face. I know some people like to wet their beauty sponge, so I did kind of just spray some water on it a little bit. I don't know how or what that really does, but yeah, I did that. So the next step would probably be concealing, but y'all, I skip concealer because I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I just be looking like a ghost when I use it. And I have the right shade. I just don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I just skip it and call it a day. And yeah, I'm going straight to eyeshadow. I'm just adding some of this I can't remember the name, but the stuff you put on before you put on your eyeshadow. That's what I'm putting on. And then I'm going to be using some eyeshadows from e.l.f. Just some cheap stuff I got from Target. So I started off with this dark brown shade and put that into my crease. I was going to do the original everyday look I've been doing, which is putting this darker shimmery shadow in my crease, but I wanted to try and do something a little different. I don't know. And for me personally, I just love the look that neutral colors I don't know, I just like neutral colors, so browns and golds and things like that. I really like how they look on me and other girls, so that's kind of like what I'm sticking to right now. But yeah, I'm just putting this into my crease, trying to blend, y'all. I still don't know what I'm doing when it comes to blending, so that is something that I have to work on. So again, don't judge me. But then after I added the brown, I went in with this goldish color and put that on my lid. So I wasn't liking how the eyeshadow was looking, so I raised it from just in the crease and went a little bit higher to see like if that would change anything. So let me know what you guys think about this eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is so freaking hard. Like I don't know why it's so hard, but I'm trying. So now I'm applying some of these Ardell wispy lashes. I just wanted an everyday lash, so these are perfect. I used my favorite lash glue from Deep Beauty Cosmetics. I'll link it down below. I love this stuff. They have a white and a black version, and I just get the white. You know, because just in case like you mess up, it dries clear, so you're not really gonna see. But anyways, I apply a nice, you know, coat of that to the lash. I already cut it to fit my eye and all that, and then I just pop it right on once it gets a little bit tacky. So easy. I feel like I'm a pro at putting on lashes now, because it used to take me literally like 45 minutes to put on lashes. So next, I used the True Complexion Contour Palette for light to medium people, and I just used the middle shade and contoured my cheek. So yeah, I pretty much just did what I've seen other people do. I really don't even do this either. For like my everyday look, I never do this. But again, I was trying to be fancy for this little video, so don't mind me. It's not perfect. I could have like done it way better, but I tried. Next, I use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlight. I've had this thing for literally like years. It's my favorite. So I'm just highlighting, you know, my cheekbone or whatever. Then I like to highlight my nose and a little bit like where my mouth is and my forehead. I just put it everywhere. I also went in with this shimmery, like, whitish shade. I don't even know what it is. And put it underneath my eyebrow just to, like, kind of highlight my eyebrow a little bit. And then I think the last thing I did was my lips. So MAC recently sent me this cute little package of like lip glosses and lip liners, things like that. So I've really been loving this MAC lip liner right here. I can't remember the color of it, but it's like this like light brownish color. So I just lined my lips with that, and then I went in with this e.l.f. Lip gloss. I love the e.l.f. clear lip gloss, but this one was like a brownish shimmery type, so I thought it would look perfect. And yeah, put that on my lips. So this is the final look, you guys, and I think I did a decent job, especially to be a beginner when it comes to makeup. I already see like things that I can improve and work on, and then like I told y'all, I need to work on learning how to conceal and all that type of stuff. But let me know what you guys think down below, your honest thoughts. I need you guys to be honest so I can like know what I really need to work on and all of that. And also, if you like my hairstyle in this video, I already did a whole video on this if you missed it, so I'll put that down below. But yeah, let me know your guys' final thoughts. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.